everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Associated Bank customer service. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser, and next in the top there's this address bar. You need to type down associatedbank.com and enter it. And once inside this homepage of Associated Bank, in the top there's this contact icon here. You need to select that. And from here, you can also schedule an appointment. If you want to find branch or ATM, you can select that. As I'm going to select the security help. And from here, if you want to report fraud, lost, or stolen card, you can simply select this number here and you can call this number. For general customer service and live representatives are available from Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. CT and Saturday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. CT. And before contacting customer service, make sure you have your account or card information ready for identity verification. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.